The queen of dancehall Spice is on a high as her 2020 crossover mega hit Godong Day, a collab with dancehall superstar Shaggy and Sean Paul, is trending number 1 on Shazam in India. The single off her Grammy-nominated album 10 has been Shazammed in 9 countries worldwide, including Greece and Thailand. Godong Day has also re-entered Singapore's Deezer and is currently sitting at number 2 and has impressive views of over 50 million on YouTube and Spotify alike. The single's success has caused the album 10 to re-enter the Apple Music Reggae Top Albums at number 123. Now, Gadangda joins a list of major collabs for the top female DJ, with Vybz Kartel on Conjugal Visit at number 88, Styler G Dumpling Remix at 61 on YouTube. Impressively, her biggest single is her own breakout hit, Yes I Saw Me Like It, 103 million views. Now, Spice has 2 charting projects, her mixtape Capture and the album 10 on the Reggae Top Albums chart. Now, from the Queen to the King, Beenie Man stirred controversy with the release of his latest project, King of the Dancehall. On the track, the Grammy-winning DJ spits lyrics on his accolades and a journey to dancehall, which began in 1976. Beenie Man, through his song, is reaffirming his place in the dancehall as the king of the dancehall. That, as of lately, is up for debate, with Vybz Kartel still very much in the picture. Beenie Man's song follows his radio interview in Ghana, where he explained how he remains the king of dancehall ahead of all the newcomers.
Because I'm there from Shabba Rankin, Ninja Man, all of them. So I was the one that released Vybz Kartel, really. Remember me gave him first #1 song, me put him on Billboard the first time.
Now, anticipation is high as dancehall makes its way to another major stage this weekend. 21 reggae acts, which include Supercat, Maxi Priest, Patra, Barrington Levy and Shaggy, will pass the mic on Saturday after the BET's 53rd NAACP Image Awards. DJ Cassidy told the Gleaner that the set, perfectly fitting in Reggae Month, will showcase 16 incredible songs as he thanked Sharon Burke of Solid Agency for making it all possible. Reggae lovers can look for a full weekend of shows with Sizzla in concert and Reggae on the Pair featuring Beres Hammond also set for this weekend. Ephraim will have some exclusive details on our local Reggae Month shows in tomorrow's edition. I'm Deidre Gordon. Thank you for watching.